Joe Beermaster, the Car Master here. Today we have a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. We have a marker light out on the other side. I'm going to show you how to change it. Alright, first thing I want to show you actually, there's really no access for it up top under the hood here, with that going crazy and taking the light out and everything apart. So what they did, they put an access panel on the inside of the firewall. So what I did was jacked it up. And right in here is a little access door. There's little Phillips screwdrivers, Phillips screws that hold it in. One there. Got it right there. And you have to reach in. Now this is at least for the turn signal light. Reach in and spin it out. Let's see. It's tough to do. I'm reaching in. It's going to be a tough one. And there it is. So what we want to do is pull it straight out and replace it. You do it with two hands and pull that bulb right out. So each bulb has a number on it. This one is 3157AK. Go to your local supply house with the bulb, or you tell them what it's for, and they will get it for you. I got the new bulb. I plugged it in. I checked everything. Everything's good. I'm going to screw it back in, and that's done. Now, the headlights are going to be another story. You either have to take the whole liner out, or you're going to have to check from the top. But this, I don't see any access for the headlight. This is just for the side light. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. I hope this helps. It's tough to get it in and get it out. You got to reach way in and really, sometimes it gets right in. Sometimes you just have to keep trying. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. There it is. All working good.